Finally, after isa't kalating taon, naglabas na uli si Huawei na kanyang bagong iteration ng Freebuds Pro. And this time around, it's the Freebuds Pro 2. And andito na sa ating kamay. And today, gusto ko i-share sa inyo ang aking full experience after 3 weeks of using this Freebuds Pro 2 ni Huawei. Tara, kwentang ko kayo. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. And like I said, today hawak na natin ang Freebuds Pro 2. And this is the new iteration ng Freebuds Pro ni Huawei back 1.5 years ago. And roughly nasa 2020 siya lumabas, no? And that buds has really made a mark of its own. Kasi probably one of the first na meron siyang ANC. And it really rocks. Alam mo, pag meron ka ANC, the sound is really great, especially when you're outdoors, when you have noisy surroundings. ANC, pag nag-kick in yan, it gives you that solid sound na hinahanap-hanap mo. Na talagang solong-solo yung sound. Quickly, babasahin ko lang everything nandito sa likod. So this one has dual speaker premium sound, instant custom listening with adaptive equalizer, may crystal coil din siya, intelligent dynamic active noise cancellation na version 2.0, dual device connection, and of course, IPS4, rated dust and water resistant. So meaning when you hit the gym, walang problema. Kahit pawis-pawis ka, okay naman to sa buds na ito. And pag open natin, kita natin the buds is packed premium dito sa loob ng box na ito. Pag remove natin, all I need to do is just peel this one off and kita natin this is the silver blue color. Kakaiba siya, no? There's 3 colors to choose from, the ceramic white, the silver gray, and the silver blue. And I think I like this silver blue. Kakaiba yung color niya, no? One of a kind. So further inside the box, some manuals, Type-C charging cable, and mga extra buds. May small, medium, and large. Yung naka-attach is medium. Yung small and large, it depends. Kung kailangan nyo, gamitin nyo. Kung nyo kailangan, gagawin nyo lang. Now, going over the design, I can say na itong shiny part, nakasulat dito, Huawei, and co-engineered with Huawei. Huawei na review na natin previously sa Huawei Soundjoy and we know ano ang kakayahan ng mga gawa ni Huawei. And probably this is not the smallest na case na meron ko amongst mga TWS. Pag open natin, outright, kita natin, these are the 2 buds ni Huawei Freebuds Pro 2. And sa ilalim, charging port na Type-C. So these are the buds ni Huawei. I can say na yung design niya is very much unique and it's one of its own. Sabi niya, these are the piano keys na design and it's a bit different from the rest of the gang na, well, mukhang cigarette stick and, well, nakakasawa ng kanilang design. No? This one is kind of different and more compact. Of course, that's just my opinion. And these are the tips niya na for me, saktong fit lang sa akin ang medium size. I'm not quite sure kung anong gamit mo. There might be others who use small and some others who use large. But for me, okay na to medium by default. So each of these buds, meron siyang 3 microphone. And sa ilalim, facing inward is 2. And dito sa gilid, meron siyang 1. So making it 3. So the purpose is to give you that crystal clear calls na nagno-noise cancel sa surrounding mo. So I did try it sa outdoors and it was really nice, no? And of course, medyo noisy sa busy street. So, tinawagan ko ng mga friends. Sabi ko, kamusta naman aking call? So, ako medyo maingay dito sa surrounding ko. So, sabi na medyo bawas ang sound. Hindi ganun kalakas. And, well, I'm happy naman sa, well, of course, response sa aking friend na crystal clear ang kanyang mga sounds. Itong mga buds ito can play as low as 14 Hz and as high as 48 kHz. So, meaning, okay ang kanyang sound pagdating sa treble and okay din ang sound niya pagdating sa bass. And hindi lang yun. You need to download your Huawei AI Live sa Huawei App Gallery or you can even download sa Google Play Store. But of course, sa Google Play Store, hindi ganun ka-updated. You might need to go to Huawei na official na website to get the latest na AI Live para ma-pair nyo itong Freebuds Pro 2 ng seamlessly. So, plugging in my ears, sabi ko kasi sa inyo, been using it for 3 weeks. And important dito sa kanya is once na hinila ko siya, stop yung music. Pause. Okay? Kasi wala siya na-detect na tenga. So, once na kinabit ko dito sa aking tenga, play agad siya. In just 2 seconds, play agad siya, yung music ko. So, which is nice. Nakakatipid siya ng battery dito sa buds na ito, giving you more battery life. So, upon testing on normal usage, like, let's say, active ang kanyang active noise cancelling. So, I was able to squeeze out roughly mga 5.5 hours no, on full charge na itong dalawang buds na ito together. Now, if not using the ANC, I think umabot siya ng mga 7 hours, kulang-kulang. And it's really battery efficient. There's a lot of reason bakit ko masasabi na okay itong Huawei Freebuds Pro 2. And it's because, one, ang ganda ng kanyang design. It's very unique dahil siya lang meron kanitong design. Two, ang ganda ng kanyang active noise cancelling. Now, share ko sa inyo ang aking experience with regards sa ANC. But of course, kailangan mo gamitin yung AI Life app ni Huawei na makukuha nyo sa App Gallery or sa Google Play Store. But I suggest na kunin nyo sa Huawei na official website para latest makuha nyo dahil sa Google Play Store, hindi pa latest ang binibigay nila doon. Pretty easy to connect. Kailangan mo lang mag-connect sa kanyang Bluetooth. Hanapin mo lang si Nemo. Actually, medyo nalito ako noon, no? At first, hinahanap ko Huawei Freebuds Pro 2 sa Bluetooth. Search ako ng search. After 5 minutes of search, sabi ko, teka, parang wala akong nakikita. So, pinindot ko rin itong button sa gilid, which is apparently yun ang kanyang pairing button. Hold mo lang siya for 3 seconds, then magiging searchable mode siya. But, wala akong nakita. And, lagi ko nakikita si Nemo. And I was wondering, so, hindi kaya ito si Nemo. So, pinindot ko si Nemo. And, yeah, I was right na si Nemo nga pala to. So, ang codename pala nito is Nemo. So, probably si Huawei Freebuds Pro 3, baka Dory na. Finding Dory. Kasi ako, nag-Finding Nemo muna ako dito. So, baka Finding Dory na yung next. So, makita natin sa AI Life app ni Huawei, automatic siya. Once sinink mo sa Bluetooth, automatic papasok na siya dito. And makikita mo na everything you need is already here. Now, kita mo yung kanyang battery life is here at battery indicators, the left and right buds, and of course, a charging case. It's here. Now, there's a lot of things na pwede mong gawa dito sa AI Life app. Now, of course, you can connect kung anong machine na nakakonect, which is apparently this one I'm using is the Huawei P50 Pro. Now, it gets more fun pagdating dito sa voice control. Pwede mo i-off ang noise control or you can use noise cancelling, but kailangan mo ilagay mo na sa tenga. No? So, lagay mo na natin sa tenga. Ayan. So, nag-activate na noise cancelling upon detecting yung tenga ko. So, there's a couple of modes dito na pwede mong piliin. So, pinaka-basic niya is dynamic. Then, you can put it to cozy kung yung coffee shop na medyo hindi ganun kaingay. Then, sa general, you can put it sa mga palengke, sa bus station, sa train station. Pinaka-ideal yan. And of course, there's the ultra mode na probably magagamit mo to sa mga place like Divisoria, na sobrang ingay, and sa mga wet market na sasabi nyo, bili na. Yan, siguro ito magagamit sa yung ultra mode. Now, ginamit ko siya fully, itong mode na itong noise cancelling mode na. So, tinry ko dynamic and ultra. So, meron kaming aso sa kapitbahay na sobrang ingay. Pag kumakahol yan at nagre-record ako dito sa studio and nakikinig ako sa music, inis na inis ako. Now, ginamit ko itong Huawei Freebuds Pro 2 and tinry ko ang kanyang noise cancelling. Tinry ko lang kung gaano kaganda ang noise cancelling netong dynamic sa ultra mode. So sa dynamic, tinry ko siya. I was listening to Blackpink na Pink Venom. And this is how it sounded. Example lang to sa dynamic. So medyo may narinig pa ako kunting kahol. So pagdating naman sa ultra, ganito ang music when I'm listening to Pink Venom ni Blackpink. See the difference? On a scale of 1 to 10, I can say na si dynamic, yung ingay kung nasa scale 10, it can cancel it at to siguro, I can say sa 4. Okay? May marinig ka pa rin kung yung sobrang ingay, like kahol ng aso, engine roar, or other things na yung maingay. Okay? Then, of course, si Ultra, on a scale of 1 to 10, kung maingay sobrang kahol ng aso, yung canceling niya probably at the very best, 1. Okay? Sobrang hina. Okay? Hindi yun totally wala, but I can say sobrang hina. As in, halos negligible. Pero, pag pinansin mo siya, there's still a little bit of noise. Very, very minimal. So, ganun kaganda ang noise cancelling netong Huawei na Freebuds Pro 2, which is, I'm really impressed na paggamit nitong ultra mode. But of course, you don't use this when you're driving. Delikado kasi wala ka marinig na busina sa incoming mga dangers. Kaya I don't recommend you using noise cancelling pagdating sa pagmamaneho. Now, on the reverse side, there's the one that tawag nating awareness. Okay? So, ang awareness na it's just like parang merong sound na nagpa-pass through sa inyong buds. Okay? So, kasi pag suot mo, pag nakalagay sa off, medyo nakakancel pa yung noise, kahit papaano. But if you put it sa awareness, parang may tumatagos na sound. Another useful function is that you can find your earphones. Just simply press this one, and it will try to connect. But of course, after connecting, you can see that it's looking something like this. And let us try to ring. It will sound something like this. Okay, so yeah, it just will send out some high-pitched notes, probably to let you find your buds. Maybe when it's covered under the sofa or under your bed, it's easier to find. Checking other functions, there's the sound effects, wherein here you would find the LDAC. So we can change, turn on Smart HD, and it would let you use LDAC. Of course, this function depends if your smartphone supports LDAC or it doesn't. Apparently, my Huawei P50 Pro supports LDAC, so yeah, it would be easier for me to enjoy more richer sounds having this LDAC inside this phone. So yeah, it's currently present inside this Huawei Freebuds Pro 2. So you have a lot of things to play with here. You can play with default bass boost, treble boost, clear vocals, or you can even add one of yours. But I always go with the default one. Of course, it's being calibrated by Duvialet, so meaning it's probably better than the rest of the others. So, well, apparently, my ear says that it's good. Ngayon, punta na natin yung mga gestures niya. No? So, this is how gagamitin ang mga controls dito sa buds. So, sabi niya, pinch 1, kukurutin mo lang siya, no? Kurot. So, answer and call. Dalawang kurot, reject mo yung call. So pinch once, play or pause sa music, or pinch twice next song, or kurutin mo 3 beses sa back sa previous song, 1, 2, 3, ganun. So, ganun kasimple lang siya. Ngayon, yung pinch and hold sa both buds, it will let you control yung noise cancelling. Okay, so, yung ANC niya, control niya from, lalagay mo sa default or sa ultra. So, ipipinch and hold mo siya, kukurutin mo lang siya, hindi mo siya bibitawan. So, it will let you calibrate yung degree ng ANC na gusto mo sa kanya. So, swipe naman. So, swipe mo lang dito sa gilid, no? Ganon, volume down. And ganon, volume up. It's very easy. Of course, gusto mo always updated ka. So, time to time check na itong updates na ito. And itong tip fit test. Right now, kakabit ko lang sa akin tenga. And I'll show you kung what this does. So, lang niya, no? It will show you kung sasakto ba yung tips sa inyo tenga after this test. Parang calibration lang siya, no? Ayun guys, so nakita na natin after dalawang calibration, in-adjust ko na sa akin tenga, sinabi niya it's good fit. So nilaro ko ang kanyang noise cancelling dito sa dalawang buds na ito. So nilagay ko sa dynamic, and one best test na ginawa ko is to put this one somewhere near me. Itong Huawei Soundjoy. Alam natin anong kakayahan na ito. Sobrang lakas ng sounds na ito. So tinry ko lang kanyang ANC, yung kanyang noise cancelling, kung talaga effective nga ba siya. So, upon putting this one around mga 10 meters away from me, nilagay ko ang music niya to max and nilagay ko sa dynamic. This is probably more or less how it sounds like. So, out of 10, siguro yung cancelling niya, noise cancelling, maybe nasa 5. Okay? So, yung dynamic is normal lang siya. So, after putting it to ultra, this is how it sounds like. So, more or less out of 10, I can say may kunting noise lang siya. Siguro maybe 1 out of 10. Ganong kagandang noise cancelling niya. Kahit sobrang lakas to, itong Huawei Soundjoy na somewhere near me. And I can say na talaga nag-improve ang kanyang noise cancelling since nung Huawei Freebuds Pro. Some other things na in-enjoy ko dito is playing songs on Spotify. And I can say na talaga nag-enjoy ako sa ang rich ng kanyang sounds after playing those songs from Maroon 5 and other mga artists na medyo, very malaki ang range ng mga sounds. Okay, pananong-panalo tong talaga si Huawei Freebuds Pro 2. And another thing na ginawa ko dito is nilaro ko siya ng game. So, playing Call of Duty Mobile using these buds, well, tinry ko siya. Pinakinggan ko siya, mga footstep, pinakinggan ko rin mga gunshot, tinignan ko lang kung gaano kaganda ang kanyang low latency. And I can say na sumasabay siya sa mga gunshot. Hindi siya naiiwan. So, meaning itong buds na ito also has low latency. Hindi ko lang siguro masyado napapansin sa kanyang spec sheet, but definitely it has yung low latency na kailangan natin for everyday gaming or probably hardcore gaming pa nga. Kain-kain na i-support. So guys, anong verdict ko dito sa Huawei Freebuds Pro 2? Well, first of all, ang ganda ng design, it's one of a kind. Second, it's definitely a great sounding buds. Ang rich na kanyang sound and ang lawak na kanyang range, definitely very good. It can even connect to my Huawei Watch GT3 Pro, which is definitely okay. Hindi ko kailangan bitbitin na aking phone. Just connect to my watch, play lang ako ng music, it's good. But of course, don't expect meron siya mga controls na meron sa phone. Kasi lahat ng app, you can only calibrate it sa AI Lite, sa inyong smartphone. So after 1.5 years, it's really worth the wait. Ito Huawei Freebuds Pro 2 really has that still industry-leading na ANC, which can cancel 15% more as compared sa iba, using the ultra mode na kanyang ANC, and it really cancel out the noise. Imagine, ang ingay ng paligid, mawawala, makakancel lang siya. But of course, a word of warning, please, please, please do not use this while driving dahil makakancel out pati mga busina, wala ka marinig. It will put you and others in danger. So guys, kung nagustuhan nyo yung video ito, don't forget to share to your friends, your family, your kabarangay, your kabarkada. And of course, I'll appreciate it kung support nyo ako by liking and click that subscribe button para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?